Okay, so next up we have impersonation, and as you might guess, we have a friendly repairman, quote unquote, right here, who's here to help us and fix all of our problems, right? Well, don't be fooled. Someone who is impersonating or using that type of social engineering tactic is there to fool the target or the victim, and they'll act like an authorized person, whether it be a repairman, a technician, or an employee at a remote site, perhaps. They may call acting like they're from a remote site and trying to get access to some system locally. And they're saying, hey, they're gonna remote in and fix your problem. All right. So that social engineer may spend time learning about the company, the lingo, people in other offices, key names to drop, and so on and so forth. So that way, when they talk to that receptionist or to that admin or whoever it is they get on the phone, it very much sounds like or seems like to that person that this impersonating or this imposter is in fact a legitimate person because they have all the pieces of the puzzle, so to speak, right? They know who to talk to, they know what names to drop, they know the names of the systems and the applications they're supposed to be working on, and all of these things can be built up over time using a collection of other social engineering techniques that we talked about previously. Everything from dumpster diving to phishing to vishing, spear phishing, and so on and so forth. All of these different things combined can be tools they use to then launch some type of an impersonation attack that gets them physical access, either remotely or physically on site, to the systems in question. So once hackers gain access, it's possible to install software, whether it be malware, viruses, and so forth. They can install physical taps. If they have access to your data center, right, they can put taps in at the patch panels potentially, and even have access via switches or routers, keyloggers, viruses, worms, okay, you name it. They can pretty much run the gamut of installing things onto the network and onto your systems that gives them access from a remote location.